Wala kaming personalan, but my statement before was the Vice President has ceased to be relevant as far as the responsibilities of that membership in the National Security Council is concerned.
Secretary, how about the question of Attorney Roque that the President is supposedly, whether the President is considering martial law because of these changes in the NSC?
Alam mo kung iniisip mo yan lagi, that's malicious, ano? Because the Constitution is very clear when may a President declare martial law. I don't think it is in the mind of the President right now. What he has in mind is the economic prosperity of the country, the health and welfare of the people, especially those of the lower classes, and the prioritization of his legacy projects. No? The President accepts that as the number one concern. It's not about martial law. It's not about extending himself in power. No, he has no thinking about that. He does not even think in those terms. Malicious talaga si Mr. Harry Roque.
Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Executive Secretary Bersamin, Secretary Bautista, and Secretary Uy.
Which Panelo said na hindi niya inadvocate ang pagtanggal ni VP Lenny sa NSC at inimbita pa nga niya raw noong 2016 si VP Lenny. We all know na it's political. Everything is political, especially when we're talking about the national security of the country. Paano pa kaya at gusto nang i-impeach yung taong tinatanggal mo o yung tinanggal mo sa NSC? Basically, what we were trying to say is that, you know, as Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin said, na the NSC is an advisory body and the President wants the people in the NSC to be the people that he can trust. The people that will advise him is the people he can trust. Basically, kung iisipin natin, pwedeng ang mangyayari dito is the fact na ang tunay na presidente ay si Lucas Bersamin. Kasi again, only he has control of who President Bongbong Marcos will listen to. Dahil wala na nga yung mga dating presidente. And it's unilateral at best. Kumbaga, puro yes man na lang kay Lucas Bersamin. Kaya nga sinabi ni Amy Marcos, di ba? Please don't lead my brother in vain. Pero, whatever. We don't really know anything at this point. So, let's just watch and watch.